So it looks like a bit of a mess in front of you. Well, this is my VRX Octane. I've had to do a lot of repairs to it and I've been waiting on some parts. So I've got some new arm links and stuff there, and I've got a new chassis, the number one thing that it actually needed in order to work. So I'm going to put this all together, get it all fixed up, try and make it look as neat as I can, but not holding out much hope for that because it's just a toy. Alright, I'm going to fix this. And then we're going to chuck a 2S in it because I figure why the hell not, might as well see how much more speed I can get out of this. This is my oldest RC car and this is the first time it's ever actually needed repairs. Go figure. Had it since 2016, never needed to repair anything. Then I destroyed the chassis and these arm links. So I'll put them on and then we'll give it a drive on a 2S and we'll see just how good it goes. Alright, it's about 10 minutes later. I've got everything back together. Nice new clean chassis. Definitely going to get messed up, I already know it will. Especially with how much abuse I give this car. In terms of parts for this car, this is a VRX, but this is an FTX chassis and it fits perfectly. I think it's the FTX Outlaw, so the VRX Octane and the Outlaw, from everything I've been able to research, are basically the exact same car, just under a different name. I think HSP even has one that's basically the exact same as well. So that's sort of one pro of these cheaper ones. It's pretty easy to get parts for a lot of these cheaper RC cars, just because they're often compatible with other brands. So I'll get a battery charged up, we'll take it out and we'll give it a drive, and I'll put these back on when we're doing that. No, it's been a day since I put the chassis and these arms on and everything, and well, I was waiting for the weather to clear up. The new bumper arrived, so may as well put the new front bumper on it, and then I can take it out for a drive without any worries of issues with this. And also at the same time that arrived, I also got this little kit here, which is just a bunch of spare little screws and stuff specifically for these models of the RC cars, like the HSPs that I use, and obviously this one. Alright, I'll get the bumper on, then we'll put the body back on and we'll show you the car back into its full form of glory. Alright, there we are. Complete rebuild done. All that's left is obviously just got to get some new plastics for the roll cage. Just this front one's really damaged. This top one's really damaged as well. So I don't have to replace the whole roll cage though, which is absolutely excellent. So all I need to do is just get some plastics for it. I think I've warped this one here, is pretty bad. This one's obviously very warped and damaged. This one, you got all the damage here, and then it's really warped around the side as well. But that's only an aesthetic thing, that's not a drivability thing, so as far as I'm concerned, that can happen whenever it happens, if it ever happens. I think honestly the only way I'm ever gonna be able to replace all these plastics is if I just fully destroy all of it. But that's not likely to happen. Alright, I'm gonna wait for some clear weather, which hopefully should be in a few days. So between filming this and driving the car is obviously going to be a few days, which sucks. But we're going to chuck a 2S battery in it and we're going to see how this thing goes.